Hello dear traders, petar.jacimovic here from wycanalysis.com. I want to post the update in my new position on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Basically I closed the Euro USD and the British pound USD. It worked for a while. I took some tight stop loss there, and I started to have my major position, and I put like 5% risk in this setup, basically because I really do like this Australian dollar buying at this point here for approx 90 pips target, risking 30 pips, 30-35, so approx 1-3 ratio. I'm going for 15% in return. This is basically based on the 4-hour time frame, and I will explain you more about this analysis and why I'm bullish on this one. Basically, also wanna notice for, I will explain also this for James 16 members as well, and I will post a video for them, since I also noticed that the double bar low with the higher close, when I see this on the 4-hour time frame and I see the high liquid area on this point, I really like this as well. If you observe that you see this bar exactly same low with this bar, and this bar close higher, this is a very good sign, very good bullish sign as well. This is also the bullish engulfing pattern. It's also the morning star formation 3-bar pattern. So a lot of price action confirming bullish behavior on this one, and it is good time to buy this currency pair. Also interesting thing here is that I placed the Fibonacci expansion level from this A leg, B, and potential C, and price stopped exactly at 100% expansion, 0.7582. So I really like the supporting there is very big, and the price action confirmed the support, and this is by the 4-hour time frame, which is sign that we may see in the next day or two upward price, and I'm expecting again my target, and my target is basically area of 0.7720-ish area, where I saw that price action basically supply came in from this point all over, as you see here. So I really like to take this 90 pips potential, because I don't see any big resistance before this 0.7720-ish area or 0.7750 area. I don't see any big, there is some swing high here. It's not big like this one, or you know, this one, this major lag where the major supply started. Okay, so also the price broke this swing low, again confirming that price action really suggesting that this is very bullish. If we speak about a trend, this looks like very corrective combination of ABC and ABC and ABC. There is some flat corrections here. If you check the moving averages, for example, we have the rising moving average of 100% is still rising, as you see. It's not going lower. 50% start to go lower, but 100 and 200 MA, which is this one, exactly held successfully. So this is the beauty setup, in my opinion, and I can put even to 5% in this kind of setups, going for like 15% in return. Okay, so in terms of the volume, for example, in terms of the volume, we have this is uptrust, but this uptrust happened where? At the support. So if I see this uptrust at the support, this is like lasting, this is also last engulfing pattern, something which Steve Nielsen about the last engulfing patterns. If this happened near the critical support, not near the highs, this is basically potential last engulfing. So the last effort from the sellers to push this pair lower. So we got this one, we got the morning star formation, we got the broken resistance, this swing low from this ABC. We got expansion level 100%, we got 200 MA. Now if we speak about the volume, you see this bar, for example, we got supply here enter the market, but the next bar is a very got lower spread of the bar and finishing in the middle. This is a sign of strength, and the buyers immediately react to the next bar. So in terms of the volume price action analysis, everything is bullish, okay? And this is what I want to update you about this potential very good setup. So very strong. There is also Bollinger Band here, which got tested here. Even you know, everything is bullish, so it's worth to risk even to 5% in this kind of setup on the 4-hour time frame, because this you cannot have any better setup than this. This is a maximum in the technical analysis in the that you can have. Even if you go, for example, and put an oscillator, any oscillator, there is also divergence as well in this previous swing low. So I mean, if this gonna go at least to this area, this will be very how to say that, the big manipulation in terms of the technical analysis. So if this don't go at least like 90 pips from this area, at least this cluster this here, we got no big news in the next few days. Even whole this week we got no big news, so the news cannot even affect this setup. So basically, again, I will tell you again the reasons. We have uptrend, okay, uptrend in the past. We got the 200 MA successfully tested here. We also have this pink one is 151. Okay, so what we saw here, I saw here potential last engulfing pattern, which is this one, and this pin bar basically where this happened at the support, so it's a potential sign of the strength. Now we got a double bar low, absolutely same lows with a higher close of this one. Okay, it's also bullish engulfing if you observe the 2 candles, and it's also the, if you do the 3 candles, it is morning star formation. So what we also have, we have the expansion level from A, B and C, where the A is equal to C, which is very usual in the corrective phase, and price exactly respected that. Okay, so we go next. We got Bollinger Band here, the lower band here, and we got, in the terms of volume analysis, we got the bar closing in the middle, this middle bar here, suggesting that strength is on the market, and that confirmation of strength came the very next bar. So this is very strong. Now what we else have is, if you want oscillator to put, clear divergence. Okay, a lower swing low on the price action, higher swing low on the oscillator. So divergence, morning star formation, rejection from 100% expansion, 200 moving simple moving average, double bar low with a higher close, broken support, also broken swing low from this ABC pattern. So this is the maximum you can have in the technical analysis, because you ride with the trend, price action confirmed, end of the corrective phase, you have the candle formations there, you have the volume analysis there, and you have the also divergence, everything in the sync, in sync. Okay, so the resistance, again, the major resistance on this currency pair, major cluster, 0.7720, and this is the next one. So I'm really expecting in the next day or two, depending on the price action, the price go here and test at least 0.7720. Okay, if you like my analysis, again, you can comment on my you can comment on this video, and of course, if you want to learn my mentorship program, or you know, pretty much I will post this also to the James 16 thread, as I said. So the analysis where you combine a lot, you know, the volume analysis if you add, and the you know, divergence, and you know, to also use pure price action, you know, together, this can bring you more success with you already knowledge of what the James what his method basically. So I hope you liked. Again, feel free to comment there, to subscribe my YouTube channel, and that will be all for this analysis. I wish you good trading. I hope this will go. I have a 5% risk here, so this is not small position, and I hope it will work. 1-3 ratio I'm aiming here. Bye bye.